Here we go.
KFC offers Diablo 4 early access when you buy a sandwich.
This is a really hot game that's coming out very soon. I think beta is like next week or something.
KFC and Blizzard Entertainment Inc. have joined forces to offer gamers an incredible way to get early access to the upcoming Diablo 4 game simply by buying a KFC sandwich. According to the story by Lifehacker, the limited time offer is part of a campaign to advertise Blizzard's new game and KFC's Double Down sandwich. They're still doing the Double Down?
There's a triple down now.
Which recently returned to the menu after almost a decade of absence. A decade was when that happened. The Double Down. It's no bun, right?
No bun. In between is like a slice of cheese and some bacon. But then the triple down doesn't even have that. It's just 3 chicken patties stacked together.
Why stop there? Yeah. This is an interesting collab. It's funny when you hear the press release, the way they say it. Go back up. KFC and Blizzard Entertainment have partnered to bring gaming and chicken fans an exclusive opportunity. For those who love chicken and gaming, KFC early access beta. Yeah. So what do you have to buy specifically? It looks like there's actually a couple options. You can get, if you want early access to Diablo 4, you got to go to the KFC app. So you're going to have to download an app. But anyway, the Double Down will do it. That's $8.99. That'll get you early access. A bacon and cheese chicken sandwich, $7.19. That'll get you early access. Chicken Little sandwich, which is only $3.69. That's your value play.
Okay, yeah.
That's your value play. KFC chicken sandwich. I guess that's just a classic one. Bacon and cheese chicken sandwich combo or the KFC chicken sandwich combo. Any of these are going to give you early access. Diablo 4 is set to release June 6th. If you're not buying a KFC deal, you would only get the early access to the open beta March 17th to March 19th by pre-purchasing the game. The early access can be played on Windows, Xbox, PlayStation, and go ahead. Yeah. Get a chicken sandwich, get the early access, I guess.
Diablo 4.
It's odd, though. So I can get early access to the game without buying the game and then decide if I want to buy it?
Yeah.
Just with the chicken sandwich.
You want to try it out.
Wow.
You're going to get it, right? You're going to play, right?
It's kind of seemed like a deal.